HSBC Emirates Skywards, Infinite Credit Card, Honest Review, and User Experience. If you're a frequent traveller in the UAE, the HSBC Emirates Skywards Infinite Card promises luxury benefits, premium rewards and exclusive travel perks. I tested it to see if it truly delivers value. Most people get this wrong. They assume premium credit cards are all about high fees. The surprising truth is that this card offers accelerated Skywards miles, airport lounge access, travel insurance and complimentary hotel benefits, making it ideal for frequent flyers. Applying was straightforward, and the card linked easily to my SK account. Points accumulate faster on flights, dining and international spending. Redeeming miles for Emirates flights is seamless, and the card includes priority check-in and baggage benefits. The downside is the high annual fee, but the travel perks and rewards can offset the cost if used strategically. For occasional travellers, the value might be limited, but for frequent Emirates flyers, it's a premium tool. In conclusion, the HSBC Emirates Skywards Infinite Credit Card is a top choice for UAE-based travellers who fly Emirates regularly. With accelerated rewards, airport privileges, and comprehensive travel protections, it's worth considering if you maximise its benefits.